Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and I got something interesting from Poco Kitchen. I heard about these guys, actually I saw them on AdSense, like there was an ad for it in my, I was looking at websites, and I was like, who are these guys? What is this stuff? And they were kind enough to send samples, so let's crack it open and see what's inside, First off, we have a pork and ginger ramen. Now, when you look at this package, at least when I saw these packages, I thought it basically was a ready to eat. I thought it was wet, you know, had everything going on, but I can feel in there are noodles, there's seasonings and stuff. The way you cook it, combine a packet with 2 cups of water in a medium pot, swirl to combine all the ingredients, bring to a boil, cover and simmer for 4 minutes, reduce heat and shake noodles apart with a fork, cover and let sit for 5 minutes, place in the bowl and enjoy as is or with additional or optional add-ons. So they're recommending bok choy, shiitake, pork belly, soft-boiled egg. So this sounds interesting. And all I know about this stuff is apparently the fella who makes this stuff had like a really crummy week, and he came home, he's a chef, and he made some ramen and thought, you know what, that kind of like fixed things up for me. Maybe I can make something that would be a product that would be like, having a crummy day, make this stuff, you'll feel happy. So that's what the idea behind this is. So, yeah. Next, we've got a Thai peanut sauce variety, and this says it's silky peanut sauce with tender veggies, a splash of lime, and organic noodles. So, yeah, that sounds pretty good. And then we've got this one, and this one really sounds up my alley. This is the Poco Kitchen Ancient Grains Curry, Zesty African Coconut Curry with savory sweet potato, kale, and quinoa rice pilaf. And that sounds really good. It's not ramen, but that sounds really groovy. I'm really curious about this one. So this one is ramen broth and vegetables. It's got red miso, kombu, and oyster mushrooms, and it's 5 servings worth, so that's cool. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Poco Kitchen for sending this over. It's a really unique lineup, and I'm really curious about giving them a try. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.